Amanda from Amanda Around the Globe, and today I am going to show you what I packed for 1 month in Southeast Asia. So right now I'm in Vietnam. I'll be in Vietnam for a total of a little bit over 3 weeks, and then I'm going to Thailand for a few days. So yeah, it equals out to about a month. So I'm gonna show you guys what I packed and how I fit it all into my 28-liter backpack. So yeah, let's just get into it. First of all, I'm gonna show you what clothes I brought. So with showing you what I'm wearing, this is a black dress. I actually bought this in Vietnam. It was so hot I couldn't even stand to have the feeling of clothing on my skin. These are all the clothes that I brought that I did not buy here, and I'm gonna start off on this side. So here is my lightweight packable jacket. This is a pair of just black leggings. These are all of my shirts that I brought. I actually didn't realize how few shirts I brought until I made this video. Just a green crop top shirt. This is the star of the show, my black tank top. Probably 99% of the time I'm wearing shorts, I'm wearing it with that shirt. I probably could have literally only brought that shirt and been fine. Here's just a blue shirt. This is just a tank top that you guys have probably seen in a couple of my Instagram photos, but I actually don't wear that one very much either. And the reason I don't wear these two as much as I would like to is because I forgot to pack a strapless bra. Here is my workout clothes that I brought. Shorts, sports bra, and a black tank top. Here is another black tank top. Here's some lace shorts that I've had for a really long time, and I forgot about them until I recently went back to my parents' house and I went through all my clothes because I am moving all of my stuff to Australia, and underneath them are my blue shorts that I bought in New Zealand at a thrift store, and I don't wear those as much because they're just really tight and it's not comfortable to wear tight-fitting clothes in Southeast Asia because it's so humid. Here is a sweater. I wear that when I go on planes and trains because it gets really cold there. And there's a pair of jeans which I also only wear on planes and trains. Yeah, cool. These are my 2 bathing suits that I brought. I only brought 2 and it's been more than enough. I probably could have made do with 1, but I like to have 2 different ones in case I take photos and they're not all in the same bathing suit. Love both of those. Over here I have my towel. This is a Turkish towel. I bought this in New Zealand and I absolutely love it. It's a bit thick and not the best for minimalist packing, but it's completely worth it to me. I used to have a microfiber towel and it was really handy, but I didn't really love the way that it looked, and this one, I just love the way that it looks. It can be used as a picnic blanket, it can be used as a beach towel, it can be used as a shower towel. You can use this for anything. I've used it to as a blanket. Awesome. Okay, here's my hat. It's just a Puma hat. It's pretty dirty. That's what I bring on the plane or the train with all of my books and entertainment stuff. So these shoes that I'm wearing are house shoes, and in Vietnam people kind of require you to wear house shoes, and I didn't really want to wear the ones that they would give me because that's kind of weird to me because everyone else's sweaty feet have been in them, so I just have my own, which has been working out really well. For shoes on this trip, I have been really minimal. I only brought my really disgusting Adidas. These really old flip-flops. I have these 2 dresses. Aside from this black dress that I'm wearing, I have this red dress, which has been amazing because the fabric is also kind of sweat wicking. And then this is just a really basic dress that has been really helpful as well, but this one is cotton, and so it really holds on to that moisture, which is not the best in this country. My best tip for packing to go to Southeast Asia is to pack really loose clothes that are not cotton. Pack linen or something like that. I mean, you can definitely pack a few cotton shirts and stuff, but I think anything that's not touching your skin as much and anything that won't hold on to moisture is the best option because it's so hot here, it's so humid, you're gonna be sweating a lot. I take 3 showers a day. This is all of my technology. Here, this is my tripod for my camera, and then here's all my charging cables. So this is for my camera, which I'm using right now. It's a Canon 70D. This is my external hard drive number 1. From my first year of travel. Converter, another converter. This is part of a charging cable that I had to buy for my computer. I had to buy a new cable because mine exploded. Here's 2 phone chargers. Here is my Fitbit charger because I wear a Fitbit. And here is my external battery charger, which should also be in here. Here it is. Okay, so sorry, I'm not very organized today. This is my external battery charger, which is so helpful when traveling. Like, this is probably one of the most helpful things that I own. And this is obviously my phone cord, and here's some headphones, basic. Here's my laptop. I use a MacBook Pro, which is really heavy, but it's worth to carry around. And then I have a computer charger for it also, but it's just plugged in over there, so just imagine that that's over here. And then this is my external hard drive number 2. I got a bigger one this time, so hopefully that will fit at least 2 years worth of travel. This is all of my bathroom stuff. This is my makeup bag. Everything in there is vegan. I have a lot of videos on what's in my makeup bag, so I will just link that here and you guys can watch that if you're interested. This is a toothbrush holder. Michael says it looks like a vibrator, but there is just a toothbrush in here. See? Toothbrush. I use a bamboo toothbrush because it's better for the environment. It's a very simple, easy swap that you can make to be more environmentally friendly. This is the Lush Godiva solid shampoo bar, and it's completely melted in there. There's deodorant, conditioner, a razor, because my safety razor got confiscated at the airport. A lot of people have asked me about that, and I never had a problem with it until one day I did, and they said that I could keep it as long as I could take the blade out, but I couldn't figure out how to get the blade out and neither could they, so they just had to take it. Sunblock comb. This is filled with face wash. This is a moisturizer, bar soap, and it doesn't, like, I have this bar soap, but it doesn't all fit in my container, so I just cut pieces of it off, and I know that looks really gross. Sunblock, lavender essential oil, my teeth whitening stuff, my big bar of soap, and then this Altoids tin is actually, it's not Altoids, it's hair bands. So I just use this tin to keep all my hair stuff together, but here's tiny little hair bands for when I do braids, and here's other hair bands, and then there's some hair clips in there. And that keeps it all really organized. All of the last stuff is the purse that I'm using, iPhone 6, my yoga mat, sunglasses, my wallet. This is a book that I got at a book exchange, and I have my bullet journal, and then I also have a journal underneath here. I use this one for like notes, and then I use my bullet journal more for like scheduling stuff. Here's my MVMT watch. There's my passport. This is a homemade lavender oil facial spray. I have a pen and some chapstick and my reusable water bottle. I'm leaving tomorrow to go to Bangkok, and I'm gonna show you guys how I pack everything in the backpack. Packing all my stuff together to get on the flight to Thailand, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So basically, I've just put all of the stuff that I have over here. I take everything out of the bathroom, I take everything off all the surfaces and put it all in one spot. Let's do it. In here, and then some clothes I just put on the top over it. So okay, then we take the backpack. In my backpack I put my underwear up here and my socks in here. We're all packed. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. This is the whole shebang. Somehow all fits in this bag, and I managed to zip it most of the time. So I just put my flip-flops and my little house shoes on top here, and then I have my bags of toiletries and my bag of chargers, and then underneath that is my clothes, and then underneath that is my laptop. And then my tripod's on the corner here, my little mug's on the top, and then I just kind of smushed some stuff on the side there. Like, I don't usually have this much stuff, but some extra stuff because I'm moving to Australia. I think it's not that hard. I've just become so used to smashing all this stuff in here that I've actually gotten really good at figuring out how to maximize the space. Oh, that wasn't that hard. Ta-da! Then this is my plain bag, but this will go across, this will go on the side, and then this will go on the back. Cool. This is everything I packed for Vietnam. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!